Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amapenzo to TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Esperance 0. I'm joined by Makeba.
Long time, Steve.
I'm not in
Steve.
What bombastic word do you have for me?
I will talk about it tomorrow, Steve. Today, let's talk about Today, let's talk about the first half of Sundowns, Steve. Yeah, they played a really great game. You saw the ball was mostly played on the right side. Shaluli had more balls than Salles because you saw Salles was not in the game today.
Yes.
Then on the 70th minute, I thought the Alendo got a chance, but unfortunately hit the crossbar. Yeah, you'd ask yourself, a player like Lunga, what was he doing on the substitutions, Steve? Hey, Lunga is a very great player, Steve.
Yeah,
Cool, Steve.
Yeah,
Yeah, so I think Mudiba has to pick up his game because, hey.
But Willie,
I don't know, Steve.
Father Time.
I don't know, Steve, but hey, so I'm going to just talk about the first half, Steve, because going on the second half, Steve, you saw it was, what do you call it, a person stretching his financial muscles. Yeah, Steve.
Who's that, my brother?
I won't talk about it, Steve. See when you stretch your financial muscles, Steve.
Okay.
Yeah, Steve. So, yeah, I won't be long, Steve. Hey, so late, Steve. So, tomorrow, Steve, congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns going into the semi-finals, and tomorrow
Today
is still at the time. Today we are painting Orlando Stadium black. # fill up Orlando Stadium, Steve. Yeah. If you saw on the semi-finals, Steve, it's going to be the first team on the league versus the second team.
First team on the league
versus the
Kada.
Yeah, Sundowns is number 1 on the league, and Al Ahly is number 2. Yes, Steve, it's going to be a very tough one, Steve, because everyone wants the title, Steve.
Yes.
Yeah. So Steve, # fill up Orlando Stadium.
Before you leave, how much do you think he stretched his financial muscle?
He stretched it to a point of is he a she or is he a he to end up being the man of the match, Steve. Yeah.
What do you mean by that, Maka?
He was the man of the match, Steve.
He or she?
He or she, we don't know.
Yeah?
You saw Steve, but we won't complain about it much, Steve.
The
person that stretched their final match. Oh, Steve. But I can give it to Lunga, Steve. Let me Steve.
65 M.
Izinto ezidiscusswayo maximum ongayibiza le TV.
Yeah, it's Steve. Will end up being
Mahleba sithi
Diamond nisheba ukhafile bukhaya.
amamillion amaningi.
60 M.
just to
$100 trillion. amamillion amaningi. Steve, # fill up Orlando Stadium.